Slim design for space-efficient storage with extra width on the base to provide more stability. Non-slip ends hold securely onto drawer walls. Expands from 11 to 17. Easy, tool-free installation. Top reviews from the United States. The same thing. It seems that OXO makes everything great, except their cookie jar. Anyway, these are easy to set up. FYI. The OXO Tot Dividers are the same thing as these. I wasn't really paying attention and ordered 2 sets because I assumed they would be smaller. Tot size. But no, they are exactly the same as the regular OXO dividers. They do the job. Just wish they would not take up so much room. They are a bit wide. I would recommend this.